Today we are having casting for Black Magik Calendar, which is of India Intimate Fashion Week. So there's a casting today in St. Petersburg. We would be shooting it. Our team, Olga is the one who is doing full production of it.
Yeah.
Pratik is at the back side who is making all videos and doing things for us. And I would be the one who would be shooting it.
So we are looking for some good structure, of course, good body, and they need to pose properly so they can show the good advertisement of the clothes and of the calendar. They need to understand this.
They just need to have good posing, expressions, body language, so that they should be looking very good in this calendar. It would be on a bikinis mostly, so let's see.
Hello, my name is Olga. My apologies. My name is my height 176.
My height 176. My bosom.
My name is David. My height is 189.
Hello, my name is Asa. My age 178. My bosom.
Hello, my name is Lisa. My height is 170.
Hello, my name is Sasha. My height is 79.
Hello, my name is Anna. My height is 170. My pose.
Hello, my name is Phil. My height is 191. My pose.
Hello, my name is Sam. My height is 184. My poses.
My name is Nora. My height is 170. My pose.
Hello, my name is Alice. My height 175. My poses. Hello, my name is Alice. My height is 1.81. My poses.
Hello, my name is John. Мой рост 184.
Hello, my name is Lisa. My height is 165.
Hello, my name is Vitalina. My height is 117.
I think it was very good casting. And this strange man will be deciding who will be the one, who is the bestie, who is the best of these all models who will participate today.
all the participants were very good. It is a tough competition, and I believe I would be taking 1-2 male and rest female. And first I was thinking I would take just 3-4 females, but looks like I need to take more because it's really tough.
So opportunity right now has everybody who was today.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is an opportunity
But
for
it was
everyone.
okay. It was 15 people, but we can take only how many people?
I think I would be taking 6 girls and 1 or 2 boys, so that I would be clubbing them and it would be looking good. And Pratik, who is at the back side of the camera, just turn your camera towards you so that people should see.
Yeah, this is very good. The best videographer.
So, Pratik would be making very good videos all the time, and let's hope for the best.
Yeah, it will be cool for sure. See you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.